I know you guys are probably ready for some skate content, and believe me, so am I. I have 11 decks right there that I have to custom build and custom design, and that's going to be coming here pretty soon in the future. I'm actually going to be screen printing these, and you're going to see the whole process and learn how to do it at home. But today we're going to be working on the Subaru. This is part 2 to the engine and transmission pull or Subaru teardown build. But make sure you stay until the end of this video because I'm going to be giving you the details to enter my monthly giveaway for the skate shoes. So make sure you stay for the details or skip forward to the end so you can hear the details. I don't really have a preference, it's up to you guys. But just make sure you stay until the end of this video to find out more how you can win that. Without any further ado, we're just gonna jump into today's video and enjoy the whole shenanigans that we've had to do to end up pulling the transmission and the little pin in the axle. It was completely, utterly terrible, and I've never had as big of issues as we had on this one, so enjoy. So that's where the pin's located, and it will not come out.
I might need to punch it out the other way, it might be stuck for some reason this way.
Nice, watch your testes.
Yep.
Stands right next to it.
Okay, grab that light.
Jesus, use that.
You've got 300 pounds of man meat standing on a transmission.
Or it just broke your screwdriver.
It either broke the screwdriver or the strap, let's find out.
No, it broke the screwdriver.
Nope, the screwdriver's fine.
Oh, really?
Wait,
the strap?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
No, that screwdriver snapped, bro.
Did it snap all the way through? Right here?
Yep.
Oh,
yep. For real? How did this happen? I mean, I know we hammered it in there, but that should not be that stuck. Where are we at? You can't see it right here, right where the tip of my finger is. There's a roll pin that goes in there, and it does not want to cooperate and come out, so that it would come out like this side did, that you can't see. And that's what Sean's doing over there, is making a tool while we multitask and have good old Egan down here doing stuff and things. Yeah. Woo! Oh my God! Pull it! Oh my goodness!
Thank God.
Yeah!
Why is everything on this car stuck?
What's stuck? What do you need?
My shifter linkage. I have literally everything disconnected. I'm trying to remove one bolt.
What do you mean my shifter linkage?
Ah, got it. Wait, who shut up?
Micah.
Hey, we made progress again. Oh my God. Let me get out on this side.
Is the other side disconnected?
Nope, I have to get it on this side. Hang on.
I'm not holding anything.
Beside you. Alright, you ready?
Okay, only thing holding it right now is that subframe and the jack. Oh, yay.
Oh, Jesus. Come back a little more. So,
that means I need to get out.
Out, engine is kind of out, but Sean's there.
Sean needs to get out. Hey, don't you worry about it. Right, the height extension of this, as far up as this is going to go, unless we reposition it somewhere else with a block of wood.
We can push it forwards.
No.
Like, lift up the back and push forwards, and then that should rock.
Alright.
Tetris. Well, hello, copper number 2, because there's copper number 1 right there. Oh no, there's 2. What do I do? We don't have a name for it yet. Help. So that's gonna be it for today's video. Like I said, we had a lot of issues on the Subaru, and I'm glad it's over with. I'm kind of done with it for now. We will be re-spraying the engine bay at some point and doing a lot more stuff with it in the future, but right now I'm just gonna let it sit in the garage and take up space because working on it pretty much kicked my ass. And I usually don't cuss on the channel, but it was a pain. And yeah, I don't want to work on a car right now. I had issues with my R32 Skyline as well. I was trying to do an exhaust video, and that also did not go as well as I'd hoped. So here in the future, we're going to be doing a whole turbo system and exhaust system on it, and pretty much redoing all of that, and the Skyline's gonna be down until I'm able to afford to get it dyno tuned. So that content's gonna be amazing, and I'm ready for that one, but I'm exhausted, I'm worn out. It's incredibly hot in Texas now, and I don't have a lift. I'm pretty much doing this on the ground. I think that's, we're just gonna call it on car content for at least a few days. I do have the steering wheel that's back here. This is an Adam LZ steering wheel that's signed by several automotive YouTubers. I think I'm gonna put that on my Skyline. I don't know, stay tuned for that. Anyway, like I said at the beginning of this video, I'm gonna go ahead and release the other part of the giveaway information for this month. This one is gonna be skate shoes, so I need you to comment a specific comment on this video, and that is going to be my size is, and then put your size and then say Vans or Nike. So for example, my size is 11.5 Adidas. That's the skate shoe that I currently skate. That's the one that I really love and enjoy. So that's what I would comment. For you guys, you might say, my size is 8 Vans. My size is 9 Nike. Whatever it is that your size is, just my size is. That's the main thing that I need so I can do a random comment, and do not spam on this one. You spammed on the Baker one, and that's perfectly good for me, but this one, I need just one comment dedicated to my sizes. If you want to spam the comments with this video is cool, I learned a lot from this video, that's fine, or this video sucked because nothing really happened, that's also fine with me. But just make sure you enter with my size is. Okay, that's enough talking. I am finished rambling. Hope you enjoyed the content, and I hope you enjoy all future content, and I will see y'all in the next one. Stay awesome, guys. Later. Oh, that was easy. Wow.